A lot of youths are dealing with anxiety and depression these days because they are staying outside of their own comfort place, and studying outside means a lot of things. So they can't even talk to their parents because our parents are not so modernly educated and they don't really understand what we are dealing with and what our mental health issues are. And as we can see that Ladakh is a place where our mental health issues are not so common in Ladakh. People don't really think about mental health issues and psychologies as well. So what should the youths should do to cope up with their mental health and think carefully and stay in peace, deal by themselves, because they don't really wanted to get to make troubles to their parents and let them think that their childs are having some mental health issues and etc.
How to answer, that means how to understand the basic point of question. As I mentioned before, I am an uneducated person, so sometimes difficult to understand the postmodern questions. As I mentioned before, the basic foundation of society is being shaken by the modern system. Sociologists, even the modern sociologists, do agree that crowd is not a society. Society is depend on relationship, positive relationship or negative relationship. The relationship makes the society. The basic human nature are kind and loving one. That we can see a newly born baby and its mother. They need not to educate to love each other. Biologically or naturally, the mother loves the child loves the mother. So that shows the human nature is loving, not hating. But when they grow, as I mentioned before, each one has to be competitor by the way of the pressure of systems and customs and policies. And by that way, we are losing the understanding, basic understanding of each other. The uneducated parents and highly educated children, their mindset, they think that they are being far away to each other. But the base of human relationship is not the knowledge, not the know-how of high technique or advanced religious system. The basic understanding should be the unpolluted natural love which we have from the time of birth. On that basis, children and parents, although they are so far from the platform of the know-how and knowledge is concerned, but still the children should have an understanding to the parents' mindset, and the parents should have an understanding the child's mental approach. So this kind of understanding extends the relationship and avoid to become competitors or under the influence of arrogance of some knowledge by the younger generation. So all these things should actually deal with the observation and awareness at the level of the mindset itself. The vital health issue, I'm happy to know that less in this region, it's all the symptoms of the pressure of modernity. The pressure of modernity gives a kind of anxiety, inbuilt anxiety to the mind of younger generation to achieve something immediately and winning all the competitors. So, in the name of success, and they have their own definition of success, wrong notion of success. And without achieving that success, the human life has no value. This kind of indoctrination has been injected through the unawareness through the modern education system. So this is the root cause for the exploitation of human greed and human arrogance. By that way, anxiety and dissatisfaction are always coming up. So if we are able to observe them, we are able to see them, then I think there will be a middle path. I mean middle path means to find a kind of pushing away the arrogance of the newly acquired knowledge and to respect the basic relationship of parents and children or any other family members. And in that way also the elders should be having some kind of recognition, the knowledge and the skills of the younger generation, whether they are useful or unuseful. They are acquired through some kind of effort, and also, if I speak in the modern terms, have been invested a lot of money on that. So that should also have some recognition. So this kind of understanding we might be able to build up through dialogue, through intimacy with each other, explaining the feelings and emotions, and to reduce the way of privacy and the individualistic, and have some kind of intimacy and open relationship with loves and nears. And by that way, we might be able to reconstruct the basic loving relationship of the entire society. And by that way, the society, each one should not be competitor with each other, but it should have to be evolved or transformed into cooperators or helpers. And that is the only way we can look for.